Hello, everyone. Mike here. And on today's episode, we'll be talking about 5 ways that AI can help bring back forgotten hobbies. Remember when you used to play that old guitar or the piano in the living room or, the trumpet from high school marching band? It's still in you. And today, AI can be your patient teacher and your personal band for free. Just hum or sing a little tune you remember, even off key, right into your phone. Want to play along? Apps like Simply Piano or Musician listen through your phone and light up the exact notes. And no sheet music, no judgment, just gentle coaching, one key at a time. That instrument in the closet, it's been waiting decades for your fingers to come home. With AI, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. And the music you make today will sound exactly like joy feels. And that old song in your heart? It's time to let it out again. You used to love painting. Sunsets from the porch, the kids' faces, flowers from the garden. Well, guess what? You don't need talent or steady hands or even paint anymore. AI just handed you a magic brush. Just type a memory. Watercolor of our old lake cabin in 1973. Golden hour. 2 Adirondack chairs. Hit enter and watch. Not quite right? Tell it make the sky pinker or add our old dog on the dock. It listens and fixes it instantly. When it feels perfect, print it at the drugstore for $10 and hang it on your wall tonight. You just paint it again, and it's beautiful because it came from your heart. You're still the artist you always were. AI just removed every excuse. You've lived a whole beautiful life. The day you met your sweetheart, the war years, that summer road trip, raising the kids, and you always said, one day I'll write it all down. That one day is today, and AI is the kindest writing partner you'll ever have. Just talk or type. Help me write the story of how I met my husband or my wife at the dance in 1962, and make it warm and short like a bedtime story for my grandkids. It even asks you gentle questions. What song was playing? What color was her dress? What color was his tuxedo? And it turns your answers into chapters you'll cry reading. Print it for $10 or email it tonight. Your children will finally hold your life in their hands, in your words, polished by a friend who never gets tired of listening. Your story isn't over. It's just waiting to be read. Your grandchildren need these stories. Start tonight. Rediscover the joy of gardening, even if you don't have a yard anymore. Your hands still remember the feel of warm soil, the smell of tomato leaves, the pride when the roses bloomed. Good news, you don't need land anymore, just a windowsill, a balcony, or even a sunny corner. AI is your new master gardener. On your next walk, snap any pretty flower or leaf. In 2 seconds, the app tells you exactly what it is and how to grow it yourself. Then ask Gemini or ChatGPT, design me a tiny balcony garden full of old-fashioned roses and kitchen herbs, easy for seniors. Order the pots online, plant the seeds, and watch your green thumb come back to life one happy leaf at a time. You still grow things that make the world more beautiful. AI just handed you new soil and proved your heart is still fertile ground. Garden again, today. Learn something brand new, and finally silence the voice that says you're too old. You always wanted to speak Italian, understand the stars, play chess like your father did. And then life said, later. Later became never. Here's the secret no one told you. The best time to become who you still want to be is right now. And AI just removed every barrier. Pick anything. Italian for the cruise, Duolingo teaches you in 5-minute bites. Then tell ChatGPT, be my patient Italian conversation partner. Only simple sentences about food and family. Want the stars? Point your phone at the sky with the free Skyview app, and then ask Gemini, explain what I'm seeing tonight, like I'm your granddad who never got the chance to learn. Every new word, every new star, every move on the chessboard is proof that the voice was wrong. You're not too old. You're finally free. The most beautiful thing AI ever taught me? It's never too late to come home to the person you still want to be.